everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the important questions of VTU, Elements of Civil Engineering and Mechanics. This is the part 2. The part 1 has been already put and the video is given in the top right corner of the I button. You guys can definitely click on that and this will be directing on to the part 1 of that video. This is the part 2. Okay, so in case you guys are having any doubt, please drop a comment in the comment box and I would be happy to help you. Here I am giving the important questions from each and every module and full questions are inside this video itself. It's not questions, I'm giving you the important which and all sessions the questions will be coming. Okay. If you guys want me to put a video on another subject, please drop a comment in the comment box so that I will be knowing it. The highest comment which subject will get, I would be putting the video on that. So it is all about the priorities. Which subjects you guys are giving more priority, that particular video will be coming up. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let me jump right into the video. Here the video is. The other question is state and prove the Leibniz theorem. The Leibniz theorem is a very important question. It comes in almost in each and every question paper. If that particular Leibniz theorem is not asked, one such questions the problem will be asked. Okay. The next one is what are the types of forces. Then just study or just read what is this free body diagram. That is very important in that. Then Leibniz theorem, when they are asking, please don't forget to draw the diagram. The diagram plays an important role and then you have to write this equation that we say this f1 by sine of alpha is equal to f2 by sine of beta equal to f3 by sine of gamma. This is the equation I think for this Leibniz theorem. I studied a long back. So that particular theorem is very important. Please study it and also the problems related to the Leibniz theorem is also important. Now you guys might be asking me, ma'am, you are giving us the questions for electrical, for civil, for mechanical and all these subjects. Then why are you not giving the important questions for this particular subject? I can definitely say you that this is going to be not a theory paper. In theory paper, I can definitely say you that this question is coming, this question is coming, this question is coming. But this is a full subject is related to the problems. So whenever the problems comes, if that particular same problem will not appear in the examination, then you guys are going to ask me that, ma'am, that question did not appear in the exam. Why you did not give us that particular question which was in there in the question paper, right? So that's the reason why I'm telling you. In civil, we cannot give you any such important question. Only thing I can give you is the theorems. The theorem and their problem related things, like we say, the ladder problems and then the bridge problems and all these things. Such things only I can tell you. So please understand the concept and then you study. I also remember that when I was doing my this BTech around in a class of 60 students, only 10 or 12 students were able to pass in this examination, just because most of them mug up the theory part and they only practice those questions which were given as the important ones in the internals, for the internals that we studied. Only such questions were given. But when the question gets changed, the whole scenario of the question paper has been changed, so everyone got very much scared. That's the reason why I am asking you guys to study each and every problems related to that particular theorem. Anyway, that particular theorem will be coming. So that the questions will be also based on that problem. So you have to understand what is the Leibniz theorem or what is Varillo's theorem. Just study such things and just understand the concept and then study. That's the reason why I am not giving you any these questions based like this question. This is the question that is going to come, something like that. Okay. The next important one is like types of beams. What are the types of beams and how they are classified, like cantilever, symbol supported, one and this one hinged and something like that is there. Those are very important one. Please note it down. Then and the problems related to these beams also, that is very important. So study that also. The next important question is laws of friction. I know that each and everyone might be knowing it, so please go through it one more time so that it will be easy for you guys to write in the examination. And the problems related to that also is very important. There are some of the problems like what is that, some two this weight boxes are kept among one another, something like box A and box B, that comes in the application of Wets problems, no, it comes. So in that part, one problem is definite for sure. I don't know which problem is going to come, but definitely you guys have to learn that application of the Wets problem. One such problem is definitely going to come. With this note, I'm signing off. Until I'm back with another video, this is bye.